Meteorites are fascinating space rocks that survive their journey through Earth's atmosphere and land on our planet. Many people find unusual stones and wonder if they might be meteorites. While laboratory testing provides the most accurate confirmation, there are several practical ways you can check at home before seeking expert analysis. 1. Check the appearance. Fusion crust. Meteorites usually have a thin, dark, burned looking outer layer caused by entering Earth's atmosphere. Shape. They are often irregular, but not usually full of sharp edges, since the heat tends to round them slightly. Color. Many meteorites appear dark brown or black, especially if they have been on Earth for some time. Note number 2. Look for metal content. Most meteorites, especially stony and iron ones, contain metal. Signs include shiny metallic spots visible on the surface, a generally heavy feel compared to ordinary rocks of the same size. 3. Magnet test. Hold a strong magnet near the rock. Most meteorites contain iron and nickel, so they should be attracted to the magnet. If it doesn't react, it is less likely to be a meteorite. 4. Density check. Meteorites are often denser and heavier than common Earth rocks. If the stone feels unexpectedly heavy for its size, that's a good clue. 5. Streak test. Take a piece of unglazed ceramic, like the back of a tile, and gently scratch the rock against it. Meteorites usually leave no streak, or a very faint gray one. Ordinary Earth rocks may leave colorful streaks like red, yellow, or brown. 6. No quartz or holes. Meteorites typically do not contain visible quartz crystals or many air holes. If your stone has shiny crystals or lots of bubbles, it is probably volcanic rock, not a meteorite. 7. Conduct a simple nickel test. Optional. Some meteorites contain nickel. With a home nickel test kit available online, you can test for this element. If nickel is present, chances are much higher that your rock is a meteorite.